Okay. We have been traveling for about more than an hour and we arrived eventually in Real. It's near, actually, Infanta Quezon. We passed through Sinluan and Fani, and I was actually surprised that this place has improved because years ago. Ano mga panindan nyo? Ay, naku, ayoko niya. Ay,
Pampano.
ay, pampano. Magkano yung kilo? Huwag mo akong gulatin, ha? 400 daw ang pampano. Dito, sa Kacharingan,